Hi everyone, it's your girl Cassandra Olivia back with another video. Today this video is sponsored by a company called Bia Hairs, and here's what the packaging looks like. It came in like this neon bag with a drawstring on it, and of course you have the packaging with the wig, and this is how it looks. So in the packaging you have like a little label that has their information and their WhatsApp on it, a wig cap, you have some lashes that came in this cute little rose gold packaging, and then we also have the wig. So I'm just taking it fresh out, and this is how she looks. She's a blunt cut bob. She's $99 on sale right now. You can't beat this. This is a lace frontal wig. It's already pre-plucked, if I can talk, bleach knots, and she's super natural, 150% density, and it comes in medium brown lace. Whew, took me a minute to get through that, but I'm not going to reshoot it. So yeah, on the inside she has the 3 combs in the top and then the comb in the back along with the adjustable straps. So now I'm just going to go in and put this on top of my mannequin head, and I'm showing you guys how this looks. Now you guys know from most of my videos I go ahead and pluck the hairline, but for this I'm not going to pluck it. I'm going to wear it as is, and the lace was pretty similar to my hair color. So I'm just going to show you how it looks, and then we're going to come back and I'm going to start putting her on. She was pre-bleached with the knots, but I did go ahead and bleach it again, which is why the hair looks super curly right now. But nonetheless, we're going to go in. I'm going to show you guys with my flat iron and with my hot comb how to press this out and make her look nice and cute. So I'm just popping her on, and let's get it done, honey. So first thing I'm doing is just taking a clip, and I'm just going to pull the hair back, and I'm going to start to cut the lace in like a zigzag pattern. I'm just following the hairline and just cutting off any excess. And as you guys can see, I'm not going to glue this on, but she's already sitting super flat. And your girl has a tiny peanut head, so I always have to go around the ears and cut more than necessary. Don't do this if you don't know what you're doing, because I'm just going in blind, but I cut wigs all the time. So yeah, take your time when you do this part. You don't want to cut too into the hairline, because if you do, that's a no-go. It's a pain to try to fix. Trust me, I'm trying to help y'all. So I'm just going on the other side. I'm just going to do the same exact thing and just cut around my ear and just cut the excess lace off. This is how the hairline looks. She's glueless, so I'm just putting my comb underneath so you can see, and I'm just going in with my flat iron. This does not have any product in it. I just wanted to see how it presses out before I put anything in there, but I'm actually going to go in with my Moroccan argan oil. It's like a little sample size that I have. I'll show it towards the end. And I did apply a little bit of argan oil all over the wig, and then I went in with my Rust CTC, you know, my Old Faithful flat iron, and I'm just pressing out the hair. This is supposed to be like an asymmetrical wig look, but I just wasn't feeling it, and plus I prefer to wear my hair on like a side part. So I went ahead and just cut the little part that was just hanging a little bit longer than the rest, just because I wanted a more blunt cut bob. Honey, this is giving me Edna mode, honey. I don't know if y'all watch The Incredibles, but if you see Edna, she has like one of the best bobs in the history of bobs. This was giving me Edna mode vibes. All I needed was a bang. And for some reason I'm blowing this, even though this isn't doing anything. It's just a force of habit, so don't judge me, y'all. I'm just in my element right now. Being a little weird, but I'm just pressing her out. And as you can see, she is moving, honey. I'm already feeling cute. I'm feeling like Posh Spice off of Spice Girls. So I'm just going to show you guys how to freak this wig, a couple different ways that you can wear it. She is still glueless, no glue on the sides, but if you prefer, you can also do like some got-to-be or an elastic band. But because this is a short wig, I decided not to. And overall, I love this wig. I posted on my IG story last night. I got over 1,000 heart emojis, so you guys were really feeling this. And big shout out to Bia Hair for reaching out to me in the first place just to do this collab. I really appreciate the opportunity, and I really do love this wig. I wore this wig out today at work. Everybody complimented me on it. It actually would have been a little bit flatter in the back, but your girl had in like 4 big ginormous braids. So yeah, she's still laying pretty flat for what I have going on underneath. But I'm going to do another video probably tomorrow showing you guys how it can look when it's super sleek and styling it a couple different ways. But overall, she was cute, honey. I was feeling this. The hairline looks super natural. I did not have to go in and pluck it. I didn't even apply any makeup to this. She is looking wonderful. So yeah, there you have it. As always, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, honey, and I will see you guys in the next video. Shout out to Bia Hair. Follow them on IG and check out this $99. Yes, you heard it. $99 wig sale. You can't beat this, honey. So I'm outie, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and everybody have a great day.